Ever found yourself staring at a business expense, wondering if your current banking setup is really cutting it? I mean, think about it. You're juggling invoices, tracking spending, and trying to keep everything organized, and then you hit a snag. A simple purchase. A necessary expense. And suddenly, you're wrestling with clunky systems, limited access, or just plain old confusion about what you can and can't do with your business finances. That little snag, that moment of friction, can be a huge time sink. And as a business owner, your time is your most valuable asset. So, let's talk about a fundamental tool for managing your business finances, the debit card. Specifically, let's dive into NorthOne and answer a very common question. Does NorthOne offer a debit card? Before we jump straight to the answer, let's set the stage a little. What even is NorthOne, and why are people asking about their debit card options? NorthOne is a digital banking platform designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. They aim to simplify business banking by offering a streamlined, online experience with features tailored to the needs of modern businesses. This includes things like expense tracking, invoicing, and integrations with popular accounting software. Now, why is the debit card such a hot topic when it comes to business banking? Well, a business debit card provides direct access to your business funds. It's a convenient way to make purchases, pay bills, and manage day-to-day expenses without having to write checks or deal with cash. For many business owners, it's an essential tool for controlling spending and keeping their finances organized. So, finally, the question you've all been waiting for, does NorthOne offer a debit card? The answer is a resounding yes. NorthOne provides its customers with a MasterCard debit card that is directly linked to their NorthOne business account. This card allows you to make purchases online, in-store, and anywhere MasterCard is accepted. But it's not just about having a debit card. It's about what that debit card allows you to do. Let's explore some of the key features and benefits of the NorthOne debit card. First, it offers real-time transaction tracking. Every time you use your NorthOne debit card, the transaction is immediately reflected in your account. This gives you an up-to-the-minute view of your spending, making it easy to monitor your cash flow and stay within budget. No more waiting for statements or trying to reconcile transactions manually. Another important feature is the ability to set spending limits. This can be incredibly useful for managing employee spending or simply controlling your own expenses. You can set daily or monthly limits on your card, ensuring that you don't overspend. NorthOne also integrates its debit card with its other platform features. For instance, you can easily categorize your debit card transactions for expense tracking and tax purposes. This simplifies bookkeeping and makes it much easier to prepare your financial reports. Beyond the basic features, NorthOne's debit card ties into their overall mission of simplifying business banking. They understand that business owners are busy, so they've designed their platform to be as user-friendly as possible. This includes a simple application process for getting your debit card, easy online management tools, and responsive customer support. Now, let's address a few common questions people have about the NorthOne debit card. Is there a fee for the NorthOne debit card? NorthOne operates on a monthly membership fee, which covers access to their platform and its features, including the debit card. There are no separate fees for using the card itself. Can I use my NorthOne debit card at ATMs? Yes, you can use your NorthOne debit card at ATMs to withdraw cash. However, it's important to be aware that ATM fees may apply, depending on the ATM you use. NorthOne encourages using in-network ATMs to minimize these fees. Is the NorthOne debit card secure? Yes, NorthOne takes security very seriously. Their debit cards are protected by MasterCard security features, including fraud monitoring and zero liability protection. They also offer features like the ability to freeze your card instantly through the app if it's lost or stolen. So, to recap, the answer to the question, does NorthOne offer a debit card, is a definite yes. And it's not just any debit card. It's a MasterCard debit card integrated into a comprehensive business banking platform designed to simplify financial management for small businesses. It offers real-time tracking, spending controls, easy categorization, and seamless integration with NorthOne's other features. Choosing the right banking tools is crucial for any business. A debit card is a fundamental part of that toolkit, providing convenient access to your funds and helping you stay on top of your spending. NorthOne's offering is designed to be more than just a card. It's a key component of a broader system aimed at streamlining your business finances. Hopefully, this video has cleared up any questions you had about the NorthOne debit card. We've covered what NorthOne is, why a debit card is important for businesses, and the specifics of NorthOne's debit card offering. We've also addressed some common questions to give you a complete picture. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.